Good idea. Familiarize yourself with this because after this flight, I don't know. We'll activate your panel.
Ya, tú tienes que como tocar cosas, básicamente.
You're going to be going left and right. Then you hit this red button for the brakes. Push the boosters when they light up, all right? We'll be going up and down 30.
Luego vamos a tener que lavar las manos, ¿eh?
Now, if you see anything light up on your panels, that's what you gotta have to hit it really quickly for.
Okay.
It could be a button, it could be a switch, anything.
Okay.
Do it for me quickly. I expect nothing less than 100%. You don't see anything flashing now because that means we haven't crashed. So that's important. We're staying stationary. We don't need that. Now, anybody have any questions before we go on this mission?
No.
No? All right, recruits, have a good run.
All right, thank you. Ah, ¿estás emocionado?
Flight engineer,
Hoy.
repair this. Hit your flashing buttons.
Oh.
Good job, engineer. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up, and push forward to fly down.
Whoa, whoa.
Joey makes flying this thing go busy, eh? That's that on line. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Yes, keep shooting. Careful, talk to us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent, now gunners, shoot the cargo free.
Oh.
The pilot brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends.
Oh.
Power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxial. You see, just as I
Abro.
the resistance has what they need. Maybe I did something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly?
Steer over there.
Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and pass in. It's harder than it looks.
No!
Things are getting too hot. Get out of here. It's a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Let's pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. Let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company.
Whoa.
If we leave them back, they may find the resistance. Only 3 left. Is the last. Lieutenant.
Whoa.
Watch out. Oh, that's going to be the great job, my friends. You retrieved 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly bravely helped the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Yeah. ¿Cómo diste? ¿Qué tal tu puntuación?
I don't know.
Yo 100%, Pa' que sepas.
Oh, looks like we are ready to unload.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you for all your help right here this way.
That was fun.
That's fun. Right. The elevator on the right is going to take you down. Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
much.